I'm going to show you how to marry up Apex to TradingView so that you can begin trading your Apex accounts on TradingView. Then I'm going to show you how you can add our algo, which makes long and short calls right to your chart. We have this on sale at a special of 92% off right now. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to get this done.
Welcome to HolyGrail Algo, simplified trading. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. HolyGrail Algo is not liable for any loss or damages which may result directly or indirectly from such content.
So let's get started. We're going to set up everything here real quick. This won't take long at all. It's pretty simple. So if you go to our website, and this helps us out if you do it this way, but if you go to our website, and I'm here on our homepage, and I'm going to put the direct link in the bottom of this video to get you here, but you can just click on resources, and in here we've got a direct link right to Apex. Now, if you've not signed up, you'll need to sign up. This is their website. You'll need to sign up on their website right here by clicking that. Once you get signed up, the top part of this is going to be for Rhythmic. You don't want to sign up for these plans, and these, if you did sign up for this, you cannot convert that into a TradingView plan. So it says scroll down to see the TradingView. That's what you're going to want. So come down here to TradingView, see that right there, and you'll see these buttons on here show that and reflect that. Now select the size of plan that you want to get. Once you do that, you're going to go log back in and you're going to go to your dashboard. Once you're in your dashboard, you're going to see your TradingView account right here, and you're going to see your username and your password. You can click show password right there, and this is the password and the username you're going to use to log into TradingView. So the next thing we want to do is go to TradingView.com, and it's going to ask for your username and password. The username and password will be the same that you found over on Apex's website, and you're going to put that in here, and then next you're going to click log in, and it's going to select trading mode. You can just do simulation. Up here in the, once this loads, up here in the upper right hand corner, you're going to see these three vertical bars right there. You're going to click on these. Across the top here in the settings, you're going to see one called add-ons, and this is the one you want. Now, I'm already activated on TradingView, but you're going to want to click this button right here and click activate. So once this is done, you're now able to add TradingView into your, as a broker, into your TradingView. So let's go to TradingView now. Okay, so the next step is once you get into your TradingView account, you're going to come in here and you will see TradingView as one of the brokers. So you're going to click this and log in. You're going to use the same username and the same password. All the passwords and all the usernames for the Apex account will be the same for TradingView and for TradingView. So you just bring this up. It's going to ask you for your username and your password. It's going to be the same. And you're going to click connect, and you should see a green light right there. Okay, so now that we have our TradingView, and you can see that we're green, we're connected, we're ready to start trading this into our TradingView. So I've got the ES on a 2-minute chart. Now I've already got our algo already installed. This is 92% off. I'm going to show you how to get this here in just a second. But you can see what it did this morning. It made this nice long call this morning. It shot right up. Here just a little bit later, about 10:30 this morning, it made another long call. Here we are just after 12 o'clock noon. It made a long call there. It's a little slower on this call, but it was a nice grind upwards. And then we had another call right here about 1:30 today. And then right before the market closed, we had another call. It was a short call right here, and it dropped right down, went right to the EMA. And we grabbed that. To add this, what you want to do is go to our website, and it's holygrailalgo.com/tradingview. Now, I'm going to put a direct link to that in the description of this video below. So please click on that and it'll take you right here. We don't have this in the menu bar. I don't know how long this offer is going to last, but right now we've got it at 92% off. It's normally $49.99 per month. Right now it's $49.99 per year. By 1 month, you get the rest of the year free. You'll need to have your TradingView username And once we have that, we're going to activate this, and you're going to get an email back that it is ready. Once it is ready, you can go back over to your TradingView, go to indicators, and if you come down here to invite only scripts, you will now see, once you refresh your chart and after we've activated it, you will see the HolyGrail Algo and HolyGrail Strength. You're going to add these to your chart. And once you do that, you're going to see the algo, and you're going to see all of this right here. You're also going to see this little dashboard. Now, if you don't like where this dashboard is, and personally, I actually like it down here in the bottom left, you can do that. You just right click on it, come down here to settings, and you will see dashboard location. You can move this down to bottom left, and you can change the size. Instead of being large, you can make this small. You can also make it tiny. And now she's down here in the bottom. And this will work on anything tradable. I'm talking crypto, Forex, futures, equities. It'll work on all of it. And it'll work on all time frames. You can change this on anything you want, and you can select whichever equity or whatever symbol you want, change the candle size, and you can begin trading that as these calls are being made. And you'll find that some of these work really well, especially the ES on a 2-minute. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Take advantage of this 92% off sale that we've got going on right here, and you can begin trading this really cool setup right away. So thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.
Thank you for watching HolyGrail Algo. Make sure to like, subscribe, and drop us some comments.